sausage McGriddle, baby. It's been a while. It tastes so good. So technically, I know people are watching, they're saying, AOD, McDonald's is junk food. It's not good for you. Excuse me while I chew. In my defense, normally I would eat the hotcakes deluxe. You know, the one that comes with the pancakes, the sausage, the eggs, and the hash brown. But I noticed calorie-wise, it has the combination of all that I want, but calorie-wise, it's better in this form. So that's my defense, baby. And guys, I know I haven't posted in a while. It's my bad. The holidays, Christmas, New Year's, and yeah, I'm gonna just come off like someone that makes too many excuses. But I wanted to start doing the workout and the weight loss videos before the cliche New Year resolutions, but you can't avoid those days because you have to spend time. Like for me, for example, I had to spend time with my girl, and obviously Christmas dinner is it's a thing, and New Year's Eve, it's a thing, and then people want to meet up, and there was things that had to take place that I couldn't avoid. So starting before that, or trying to navigate through dieting and working out and avoiding those things was impossible. So now I have to go through the cliche route and use my New Year's resolution as an excuse to. I don't want to use it as an excuse though. I'm doing it for myself. I want to do it for my health. I don't feel good about gaining weight. Your self-confidence is not where you want it to be at, where you know where you could be at, because you know who you are as a person. So yeah, anyway, let me enjoy this. So here's the thing. So I'm eating this, right? Because I am starting, we will get to the workouts, but for right now, my whole thing is I want to start off with one meal a day, and this is gonna be my one meal of the day. So excuse me with that. I know it's not the healthiest thing in the world, but you know what? Carbs, protein. Hey baby, I'm doing my macros. Fire! But that switch the angle a little bit. But yeah, yeah, I'm not happy about having to start something and then having to push it back. But being flexible, it's a powerful tool too. Because there are those that would just quit. They'll say, you know what? I don't really need to work on myself. I don't really need to do anything. And that's the wrong attitude. Alright, so it's me telling you exactly why, what happened, and how it happened. And socially, there's just some things that you can't avoid. I mean, with friends, you might be able to tell your friends, hey, you know, I'm dieting, or, you know, I have these goals in mind, and, you know, they'll understand. But for like workplace obligations, you know, it's like a workplace dinner, can't avoid those things. And like, you know, with wifey, I don't want to disappoint her, you know, like for Christmas and stuff, you know, those are memories that we're both gonna cherish for a lifetime. So yeah, things like that, you don't want to disappoint. But yeah, now it's the new year. I do have one more, like, I don't know, in Korea, we say, like, you call things appointments or, like, promises when you have dates marked, like, with friends. But basically, we have a meetup that's coming up in, like, on the 18th or 17th. It's a Saturday. But my goal was to actually do a fast for like a week. I mean, I can't say that I was dead set on that, but I was flirting with the idea. But yeah, I'm gonna start with the one meal a day. I don't want to go too hard on that, you know what I mean? But yeah, and that's the update for today. Like, I want to look at myself on the camera, but it's so unnatural because your eyes should be focused here if I want to make eye contact with you guys. But I'll get used to it while I'm filming, okay? But just want to give you an update on what's happened. McGriddle, baby. Not just a McGriddle, sausage McGriddle. Bro, nothing feels better than a hot coffee on a cold day. Sorry for being rude and talking with a mouthful. Guys, and I started another YouTube channel, but it's more like a documentary type of channel. I just started uploading things that I'm interested in, or, you know, things that pique my interest, and I'm just hoping that other people in this world find it interesting too. But I'm not gonna mention anything on this channel about that channel, other than what I'm mentioning right now. But I just want to see if it could gain traction. Not that this channel is getting any traction right now, but you know, everything's about consistency, right? Persistence. consistency and persistence. All right. All right. All right, guys. But that's my update. I will keep you posted. I did not give up. We got this. I got this. You got this. We got this.